Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we make English simple and easy. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 daily use English phrases that native speakers say all the time. Not just the phrases. You'll learn what they mean, when to use them, and hear examples. So, if you want to sound more natural when you speak English, this video is for you. Let's get started. Phrase 1. What's up? You've probably heard this one a lot in movies. What's up? This is an informal way to say, how are you? Or what are you doing? Use it with friends, not in formal situations. Example. You meet your friend at school. You say, hey, what's up? They can say, not much. Just hanging out. Phrase 2. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding means I'm not serious or I'm only joking. Use it when you say something funny or silly, and you want the other person to know it's not real. Example. You say, you have something on your face. Haha, I'm just kidding. It helps keep the mood light and friendly. Phrase 3. No worries. This means it's okay, or don't worry about it. Use it when someone says sorry or makes a mistake. Example. Your friend says, sorry I'm late. You say, no worries. It's a kind and casual way to say everything is fine. Phrase 4. That sounds good. That sounds good means, I agree, or I like that idea. Example. Your friend says, let's watch a movie tonight. You say, yeah, that sounds good. Use it when you want to accept a plan or suggestion. Phrase 5. Let me think about it. Use this phrase when you don't want to decide immediately. It means, I need some time to decide. Example. Someone says, do you want to join our club? You say, let me think about it. It's a polite way to say, I'm not sure yet. Phrase 6. That makes sense. It means, I understand, or that's clear now. Use it when someone explains something and you agree or understand. Example. Your teacher explains a grammar rule. You say, that makes sense now. It shows you're listening and understanding. Phrase 7. I'm not sure. This means, I don't know exactly. It's useful when you're unsure or need more information. Example. Someone asks, is the meeting at 5 or 6? You say, I'm not sure. It's better than just saying, I don't know. Phrase 8. Fingers crossed. This is something we say when we hope something good will happen. Example. I have a job interview tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Some people also cross their fingers when they say it. Phrase 9. Hang on a second. Hang on a second means, wait a moment. Example. You're on the phone and someone calls you from the kitchen. You say, hang on a second. I'll be right back. It's friendly and polite when you need someone to wait. Phrase 10. You nailed it. This means, you did a great job. Example. Your friend gives a great presentation. You say, wow, you nailed it. It's a fun and positive phrase to encourage others. Okay, let's quickly review all 10 phrases. What's up? How are you? / what's going on? I'm just kidding. I'm joking. No worries. It's okay. That sounds good. I agree. Let me think about it. I need time to decide. That makes sense. I understand. I'm not sure. I don't know exactly. Fingers crossed. I hope for the best. Hang on a second. Please wait. You nailed it. Great job. Try using one or two of these every day and you'll sound more natural in English. Let's practice. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me which phrase fits. Example 1. Your friend apologizes for being late. What do you say? No worries. Example 2. You want to say someone did a great job. What do you say? You nailed it. Example 3. You want to say you need more time to decide. Let me think about it. Great job, everyone. Learning phrases like these will help you sound natural, confident, and friendly in English. Which phrase did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want part 2 with 10 more phrases, write more phrases please in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are learning English too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.